It's a cute little koala. Hi everyone, how are you today? We are going to draw and color a cute koala in a bubble tea. Can you believe it? Let's start with the black crayon. We'll draw a circle for the koala's face. Then let's draw its ears, eyes, a big cute nose and a mouth. Here we go. Don't forget its hands and the bubble tea. Now, let's make the lines darker and thicker. I think our koala loves bubble tea. He looks so happy. It's time to color. Are you ready? Let's color the koala's body a light blue. That's right. Light blue is a great color. Now, let's color the inside of its ears and hands pink. Let's color its tongue red and its mouth brown. It's time to color our bubble tea. Let's color the top part green. Yes, green. Let's color the rest of the cup gray. Our koala is blue. And our bubble tea cup is green and gray. Let's color the inside of the cup light brown and the bubbles dark brown. Let's use our dark brown. Great job! And finally, let's add some shadows. Ta-da! We did it! If you want to see more drawing and coloring videos, subscribe to our channel and ring the bell. See you next time!